Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Natural penicillins were the first antibiotics used in clinical practice. They are based on the original penicillin G structure. They inhibit bacterial cell wall synthesis and are generally bactericidal.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Honey is one of the oldest known antibiotics, tracing back to ancient times. Egyptians frequently used honey as a natural antibiotic and skin protectant. Honey contains hydrogen peroxide, which may account for some of its antibacterial properties.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Tetracyclines, e.g. doxycycline, quinolones, e.g. ciprofloxacin, macrolides, e.g. clarithromycin, aminoglycosides, e.g. gentamicin, and glycopeptides, e.g. vancomycin, are all unrelated to penicillins and are safe to use in the penicillin allergic patient.
Take our lead.
Apple cider vinegar may also have antibacterial properties. One test tube study found that apple cider vinegar was effective at killing Escherichia coli and Staphylococcus aureus, which is the bacteria responsible for staph infections.
Take our lead.
Curcumin, found in the spice turmeric, has antimicrobial properties. Curcumin, found in the spice turmeric, has antimicrobial properties. Curcumin, the compound that gives turmeric spice its characteristic bright yellow hue, has well-known antimicrobial properties.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.